What's up, you guys? So I'm going to show you this super simple minivan campervan conversion that I did. I've been living out of this for probably like 4 years now. 4 years before that I had the older style Toyota Sienna and I liked it a lot, but this generation 2 is a 2005 and it's a lot more roomy than that older Sienna, and it just drives it so much better. It's faster, it stops better, it gets even better fuel mileage. Let me show you the camper setup I built here. It's just super simple. I had the same thing in the back of a Toyota Tacoma with the camper shell. You can just flip this up and put things in here. I usually find the right kind of boxes that fit here and you can just slide them on down. And you just have to make sure that these are in the right position, that this sits kind of flat. See? I want them kind of be close to the edge. And that's it. I had to prop it up a little bit here. This needs a couple more screws in it because the floor isn't flat. I had a higher bed up on the older Sienna, but I got tired of not having enough headroom to sit up straight, so I lowered this one, and I was also able to lower it because back here with the back seats removed, you have a huge storage space. Let's see, all you have to do is pick this up and put it in here, put it in here, and you got a little compartment there that you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I mean, I had inflatable paddleboard, camping gear, snorkeling gear, backpacking stuff, mountain biking stuff, everything. It's huge. And then you can also access the back part of these compartments. I usually have other boxes that I can get at and things I can get at from back here. And so it also has a sliding door on both sides, which I really like. I mostly just used that on the driver's side so I don't have to walk around the vehicle. But that's that.